Well, my name is Shaffer Fox. I'm from Owasso, Michigan. Been involved in the nutrition industry for a long time. Wrote an award-winning book on health sciences, and I'm glad to be here today. I was diagnosed with prostate cancer back in April of 2005, and at that time I was living in Boca Raton, Florida. I had a standard physical that included blood work, and when the blood work results came back, it showed that I had an elevated PSA. It was only elevated by a point or two, so I believe it was about 3 or 4. The urologist was a very nice guy. We became friends. He insisted that I had to have a biopsy done. I did have a biopsy done, and it confirmed that I had prostate cancer, which was quite a shock. Cancer is always quite a shock to everyone when they find out that they have it. And he wanted to remove the prostate robotically. Well, I held off for quite a period of time, to the point that the doctor was calling me at home and insisting I get something done, and I'm sure that's out of friendship. And I tried to go the natural route. I have a lot of experience in that area, but nothing that was tried stopped the progression of the cancer. I was referred again to a major university in Michigan, hospital system up there. They did another biopsy. They found that my cancer was at stage 2B. If you're at a scale 2B, the thing is you're probably well beyond that. And it did show that the cells had migrated into the muscle tissue, that they may have already been in the bladder. The bladder could have been in trouble, and I was in trouble. Things went on. I used the marijuana oil. I knew a lot of people who were very credible, whose lives had been saved by the marijuana oil. However, for me, it was a horrible experience. From there, when that ended, I believe I had about 3 days left because my urine stream was narrowing so much, and I thought I'd be in the hospital. They'd have to put in a suprapubic catheter. It was going to be a nightmare. Well, I've always believed that cancer was curable, and I have never believed that the way you kill a cancer, which occurs because of a weak immune system in part, I never believed that the way that you cure it is to weaken the immune system more with chemotherapy or radiation. So I always knew there was a better way to do it. I just couldn't find anywhere in America that did it. I checked out your center quite a bit, and I was so pleased to see that you handled all of the treatments that I was looking for, and all in one place. I hadn't been to Mexico in many years, and I hadn't been to Tijuana since 1973. And I'll tell you, Tijuana is one of the most beautiful, cosmopolitan cities on earth. A lot of cities in America would be very proud if they had the look and the feel and the personality of Tijuana. It's a wonderful place. The people are wonderful. The hotels are wonderful. The restaurants are wonderful. I have never had a problem. I have walked the city during the day, during the evening, all hours. So have my friends, other patients here. It's a wonderful place. The absolute best anywhere. And they're doing the work of God. You never see a rolled eye or, gee, do I have to do this again? Everyone is so positive, and they're getting the job done. Very good team. Everyone is so comfortable here. All the patients become friends because every morning when you wake up, everyone has improved. I was pleasantly surprised, to say the least, that my PSA had dropped. In 9 days of treatment, it had dropped from 39 to 15.18 in 9 days of treatment. I don't know a medical center on earth that could have made that happen. And all my other blood chemistries improved as well. I would, without any hesitation whatsoever, send my friends here, recommend that my family come here. This is a wonderful place. It's a very positive place. Every day people are leaving here healed. It's an amazing thing. And there are people here from around the world. I'm happy, everyone is happy, and we're thrilled that you're here, and we thank you very much. You've saved our lives.